Happy birthday to you. Okay. Stacy's doing all the hard work. He's going to put it all together.
Me too. I'm going to help him.
Good.
I got my helper, for sure.
Thomas!
Isn't that cool?
Let me see this little guy.
This turned into
Hi there,
Regan.
Howard. Hi, Howard. How are you doing? How are you doing? Let me see that.
Leonard, amazing.
Let me see that. Oh, there's that hand. He's got a grip.
Oh, look at that flip-up sight.
Mm-hmm.
It comes with a laser too.
Light beam targeting. Oh my goodness.
I can laser you. I can laser you.
Now
Billy.
remember, Thomas, we don't point guns at people.
We're gonna shoot our pirate enemies.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot all the pirates.
And what about if we could make a basket with that baby? You think we could shoot
I
baskets
don't
with it?
think so.
Well, with what?
Shoot the bullet, you mean?
Yeah.
The hoop?
The dart into the hoop.
Hold it.
Yeah, maybe we could shoot him right into this. Oh.
We could definitely do something like that. Say that.
Here's the one part of the gun.
Yep. Now.
Laser cannon right there.
This is Thomas's 6.5 birthday party.
Oh, here's the laser.
There's no cake, but there will be pizza later.
Do we still have those coupons?
I don't think so, but